Hey YouTube, it's W from Cat Media. Today we have a unboxing and a product review. So stick with me. Welcome back everybody. So today we're going to do the unboxing of the BISSELL Spot Clean Pro. I picked this up at my local Kohl's, and today we're going to try it out on a 2015 Hyundai Sonata, and we're going to clean some upholstery with it. Alright, so now they have a couple different models of Kohl's. I got this one. Again, the BISSELL Spot Clean Pro, the little green Pro. I figured I could use this on the carpets for the pet, and I like keeping my vehicles clean, so I wanted to get something like this. But I got this one because it comes with the cleaner, and it was like the middle of the road cleaner that they had there. I'll leave a full outline in the description. So you got two heads, one for big areas, one for small areas. I'm sure I'll be using this for the car. And we got the main unit. That's all that's in the box. Alright. Alright, so let's see here. Put this on. It's all connected. Alright, we're going to get this all finished set up. Alright, so we got the container here. We need some hot water. And we got the 2 ounces of the cleaning supplies. Don't mind the cat. Look, Mr. Needy. What are you doing? Alright. Alright, so it's saying add 2 ounces of cleaner. Now, I would recommend that you measure, but I'm not going to do that. Cleaner in there. And we'll put the cap back on. Alright, hot water, cleaner. Let's go clean something. Okay, so we got the hot water and slid that in there just like that. That's easy. This is where the dirty water is going to go. So we'll see how that turns out. So what are we going to clean? So we got some spots here. So we're going to go and we're going to attack this. This is the before, and then we'll go and take a look at what it looks like afterwards. Alright, little trigger for the solution. Got all solutioned up. Let's see how it works. Alright, well let's see how dirty this water got. Just by doing that little tiny area. Bring the camera back here. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that or not down here, but I didn't use that much water. That's pretty dark. We're gonna keep going, and we'll see how dirty the water is after all when we're all done. I just figured I'd come in and give you another update. I'm really happy. It pretty much took all of the small spots out, so I figured I'd do the base carpets too. Here's the front seat. If you guys remember, there was a big spot right there. Now there was some stuff in here that, you know, I wasn't really able to get out. We'll see once everything dries up, but you know, the carpets in here are horrendous. Let me give you a shot at what those look like. You know, so I'm gonna take a minute and I'm gonna run the carpet cleaner over these two. Look how nasty these turned out. There's the driver's side one. Whew! And I'll come back and I'll show you what it looked like when I'm finished. So we got the carpets done. I will tell you, now remember this is on a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. That little green machine, you saw the dirt that came out. These guys here, these three main ones, look really, really good. This one here was the worst. Honestly, I'll probably come back and do it again. I'd say it's 100% better than what it was, but you can still see it's got some stains in it. But again, fantastic little machine. You know, so it's been a little bit since we started, so I wanted to show you. This was clean. Can you guys see that? Does that look clean to you? Doesn't look clean to me. So let's go. I gotta bring you guys closer. You need to see this. This little green machine does a good job. Oh my goodness. I'll set you guys back down here again. Oh my. I think we need to rinse this out. Woo. Wow. Woo. Here's the inside again of the car. All the little spots are all gone. Did a very, very nice job on the front. And here's the back. The spots that you've seen before are all gone. Not bad. Okay gang, so that is my review of the BISSELL Spot Clean Pro. Again, I got this at Kohl's. I'll leave a link to this in my description along with the price. But I tell you what, I'm very, very pleased with the outcome. Have a great day, and thanks again for watching.